Hi everyone! Welcome back to Simple English. In today's video, I will teach you 30 daily use English question sentences that will help you in real-life conversations. These sentences are simple, practical, and easy to remember. So let's start learning. Questions for daily routine 1. What time do you wake up? 2. Did you have breakfast today? 3. What are you planning to do today? 4. Do you go for a morning walk every day? 5. When will you leave for work? 6. Have you finished your homework? 7. Where do you usually spend your evenings? Questions for work or school 8. What time does the meeting start? 9. Have you completed your assignment? 10. Can you help me with this task? 11th. Where is the classroom for this subject? 12th. When is the project deadline? 13. Are you attending the workshop tomorrow? 14. How did you solve this problem? Questions for shopping. 15. How much does this cost? 16. Can I try this on? 17. Do you have this in a smaller size? 18. Where is the billing counter? 19. Is this item on sale? 20. Can I pay by card? 21. What time does the store close? Questions for travel and leisure. 22. What time does the bus train arrive? 23. How far is this place from here? 24. Can you show me the way to the airport? 25. Is there a good restaurant nearby? 26. Where can I buy a ticket for the museum? 27. What are your plans for the weekend? 28. How long will the trip take? Questions for social and family life. 29. How are you feeling today? 30. What would you like for dinner tonight? That's it for today's video. These 30 question sentences are perfect for daily conversations. Which one do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below.